Alright, my name is CSP, Very Dark Man of the Online Division, the Nigerian #1 online police. I am not an activist, so stop calling me an activist.
The Nigeria Police Force has initiated an investigation into the unauthorized use of its uniform by social critic, Very Dark Man. A video circulating online depicts VDM clad in police attire, styling himself as CSP Very Dark Man, the self-proclaimed #1 online police officer. In response to the viral video, the police force issued a statement on October 26th, unequivocally condemning the misuse of official uniforms and accoutrements by VDM. The statement underscores the force's commitment to a thorough investigation to ascertain the origin of the police gear and the authority under which VDM purported to act. The police force emphasizes that the unauthorized use of police uniforms, insignia, or accoutrements is a criminal offense, punishable under Section 251 of the Criminal Code Law and Section 133 of the Penal Code Law.
I will stand up and spoil their name. I love spoiling people's name. I will spoil your name. And I don't care your position in society. I will spoil it so long there's an evidence against you. So it's better to be good and not fall into my trap. Now, when you bring an evidence to me, I will post it online. I will now carry those evidence. I will now write a petition with my own money. Don't worry, you're not going to pay me 1 naira. With my money, I take it to the police, and I believe that the Nigerian police force is also an arm and a body that is also dedicated to fighting against corruption. So while they are doing their own offline, I am doing my own 100% online because I have the platform. And like I said, I will continue to do this in a very, very rude manner. And so all those people, they say, oh, don't too much. Very soon they'll set them up, they'll do this, they'll do that. I always say something. If you come for me, you are the victim. If I come for you, you are the victim. And guess what? When I say don't play, you're going to learn. I mean, don't play, you're going to learn, and you will learn the hard way. I believe my walkie-talkie is swinging in the car. Let me go and know who is calling. Over and out. Don't play.